Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today we're going to make classic macaroni and cheese. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 cups of half and half or whole milk, 1.5 cups of uncooked macaroni, 1 cup of shredded cheddar, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, and a half teaspoon each of salt and pepper. We'll start by filling a large pot with 2 to 3 quarts of water. Then, we'll place our pot on the stovetop and set it to high heat, and allow the water to come to a boil. Once the water is boiling, we'll add our macaroni noodles and cook them until they're fork tender. This should take about 15 minutes. Once our macaroni is done cooking, we'll drain it. Then return our pot to the stovetop and reduce heat to medium-low. Then we'll melt our 1/4 cup of butter and add in our half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper, and 2 tablespoons of flour. We'll make a roux by stirring this constantly for about 2 minutes before adding our 2 cups of half and half. We'll cook this, stirring occasionally, until our white sauce thickens up. Because the addition of the cheddar will thicken up our sauce more, we want to achieve a somewhat soupy consistency. This should take about 5 minutes. Once our white sauce is done, we'll remove it from the heat and melt in our 1 cup of cheddar cheese before stirring in our drained noodles. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.